Just one look is what the doctor ordered. I don't know why I'm singing, but hey. What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Pixel 6a, and I have a case from a great company called UAG. Now, I want to thank UAG for sending this out, and this is Urban Armor Gear. Very popular, make a ton of cases for a lot of different devices, but this is the Scout series. Very protective case, dependable protection, as it says here on the box. Now, you can pick this up from UAG. I'll leave a link down in the description, but as you can see, made for Google Pixel. We're gonna go ahead and take this out of the case, but there's a variety of places that you can pick this up, and I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick this up. Now, UAG's cases are very protective, and sometimes they can be very pricey, but this one is a mid-range a mid-range case for a mid-range device, the Pixel 6a. Now, you can pick this up for about 30 bucks. Sometimes you can get it on sale, but it's very well made. I love these, the texture that's inside here when you put in your Pixel 6a. It's got some good protection here on the inside. This is a very good looking case, very durable, very strong, very sturdy, strong buttons here on the side. And we're gonna go ahead and put this, our Pixel 6a, inside. Boom, boom, there you go. Oh yeah, this is a look. Just one look is what the doctor ordered. I don't know why I'm singing, but hey, I'm gonna give you a little tune there. But as you can see here, you get some really good lip protection all around the device. Very heavy duty. This thing you can I wouldn't recommend unless you wanted to get crazy, but we could do a little drop test. Yes, sir. This is definitely a heavy duty case. Good opening there for your microphones. On the bottom, you get your speakers and your Type-C. Very well made. I love this case. Is really well done. This is a nice case. Very sturdy. Good grip when you're grabbing it. Buttons are solid. Up and down, power buttons good. You get some excellento protection there for the camera, so you won't have to worry about your camera getting dinged up. So if you put it down, you're gonna have that great protection. These corners are really reinforced. I'm telling you, bro, you could really drop this phone and you're not gonna have to worry about it. This is definitely got some great protection. Let's peep that sight so you can see where you can pick this up. Hey, they have a 10% off. So it's 29 bucks. Very well. Scout Series Google Pixel 6a case. It's got really, it says minimalistic look with complete coverage. Smooth, lightweight. TPU gives your case a sleek look while also being rugged and tough. Tackle every day with ease, knowing your device is protected. This is nice, man. It's non-slip TPU, impact resistant, soft core, raised screen surround. So this has got some really good qualities about the case. So I do like it. I'm gonna have to highly recommend this as I pose for the screenshot. This is definitely a win. It's got a little bit of a contour here on the back, so when you're holding it, it kind of feels good in the hand. Yeah, so real nice case. Very good texture. I like the way this looks. I just feel like you can just toss it, you know what I mean? So, but that's gonna do it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you can think of this UAG case for the Pixel 6a. They make some excellent cases. I highly recommend checking this case out when you get a chance. Hey, leave a comment down below. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I'm gonna get out of here. Peace, party people.